Alrighty champions, I'm going to show you how to replace a cabin air filter in a VF. I think there's other videos showing how to do it to VEs and other previous models, but this one is slightly different, so I thought what the heck, might as well show you guys. I've already sort of taken off some of the assembly off. I can't be stuffed putting it back together, so I'll just roughly explain how I got to this stage. Taking off the cover, you need to take off the few little clips that are holding the plastic bit. Beforehand, obviously remove this rubber seal, and the rubber seal is just on these little hooks, so just, I think it was pull it to the right and then you can lift it off. Actually, I might just be able to show it here. If you can see, I'll just move it to the right or to the left, to the left, to the left, to the left. Next thing is, this was a little bit involved a little bit of playing around. Obviously you've got the entire plastic cover here. This part is easy. The next part is you need to remove the plastic from this groove next to the window. Just make your way around, lift up your wiper, everything should come off, and there's another plastic little hook there, so lift that up, and once you have everything pulled off from the window, pull it to the left to the driver's side and then pull it forward, and it should all come out forward. Now for the easy bit. This is an old cabin filter and this is a new cabin filter. These are Aussie made to the absolute highest quality, and look at that thickness. This is apparently some carbon activated HEPA approved filter, and that's just rubbish. So I finally managed to fit it in. There's probably no easy way to do it. You just sort of have to have the time to play around with it, and it should fit in. Make sure it's a tightish fit everywhere, and it is a pretty snug fit, so I don't think there should be any issues, and it fits perfectly around the edges. And now I'll show you guys how to put everything back together again.